Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a high-performance VPN that supports WireGuard or fast protocols. This matters because editing and uploads need consistent throughput. Once chosen, install the client on your editing machine and plug into Ethernet for lower latency. Next, run a baseline speed test to capture download, upload, and ping before you connect. This gives you a comparison to spot throttling. Finally, open the VPN and connect to the nearest low-latency server, optimized for streaming or bulk transfers. Once connected, optimize the client. Switch to WireGuard or the best-performing protocol and test again. Make sure to enable split tunneling so your NLE and file transfer apps route through the VPN, while other apps remain local to save bandwidth. Set the VPN DNS resolver and disable IPv6 if the provider lacks support to avoid leaks. Also, prioritize your editing workstation in Router Co-S or limit other devices temporarily. This ensures steady upload speeds for cloud sync and remote review sessions. You finish by verifying. Run an IP check and repeat the speed test to confirm traffic now routes through the VPN at acceptable speeds. Then perform a small test render and upload to your destination to validate real-world performance and timing. If the transfer is slow or inconsistent, switch to a different nearby server, try the alternate protocol, or toggle split tunneling. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, disable the VPN briefly to compare baseline speeds, then report exact numbers to support for targeted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.